I think that school should start later because of many reasons. One of those reasons being in the morning, the most important meal of the day is breakfast. Most of us actually don't get a chance to eat our breakfast because we wake up too late, we oversleep, and then we have to rush to the car to get to school so that we don't have a tardy. Not having breakfast usually doesn't stimulate our brain to wake up or program well, so we can't really study or learn to our highest potential. It also leaves us very moody and very sleepy and tired, and that also does the same thing. We won't be able to study well, learn well. So if school started about an hour later, I think that would really help students wake up in the morning and have time to take their time in the morning.
I think we should have school start later because people come to school really late, and it affects the teachers because they have to repeat what they learned, what they taught to the students before again. Like example, I had last year around 45 tardies, and that's a lot for a student. And it's because of traffic, and there are different schools around where I live, and they have also traffic. So if they start school a little bit later, not really late, because then we have to end school later. But if they start it at 7:30 or 8, because that's when maybe the traffic would get less.
I've read a study at some point which says that people can actually think better after 8 o'clock, and I think that's very true because often in the first lesson of the day I can't really concentrate, and I think that really impacts my brain.
I think that school should start later in the morning because it's really hard to get up that early, and it's harder for us as students to concentrate on our first lesson. So maybe if it could start an hour later, it would be much more helpful for us to get our homework done and sleep on time and get up to school, and we'd be fresh and ready to work rather than being sleepy in the morning.
I think that school would be a lot better if it started a bit late. And this is mainly because when a lot of people come to school today, they're either late or sleepy, which is the same case for me. If school started around 8, maybe 7:45, it would be really helpful and I would get a good night's sleep.
And we would wake up with better energy to go to school, because if you wake up not with energy and tired, there's no point of learning the first lesson because you're not really bothered to understand what the teacher says. So if we start school a bit later, it would help not only the students but teachers, because they then have a better attitude too for the students and they don't get mad at us too much. So it affects really everyone. That's why I think school should start later.
I support this.
I support this.
I support this.
I support this.
We support this.
I support this.